get some things done. You're back again. Please subscribe. Please like the channel. Alright. What we're doing now is installing a flat bar at one of the properties that we service right at the kitchen. Okay? So enjoy. There's 3 jobs and I want to show you basically, what a short span of my day look like. It's all about getting this work done. Alright? Holla. Boy, what we got here, man? I know the busted pipe flooded out the house. You know what? That's why they call us first responders, because we gotta respond to some bull. Excuse my language, but this is very serious. This job, we gotta get all the water out, take the baseboards off. Look at that carpet, it's so soggy. This is a major water extraction. Okay, so we're about to handle it in and out. Peace. What we ended up putting in this apartment was, house was 4 DUs and 10 blowers. All right, it stayed in there, I believe, a total of 5 days. It might have been a whole week. But all the baseboard that you see, we took out and, basically extracted the water and just left it dry. Come with me, let's check this house out. You won't believe what I gotta do in this house. Oh look, Mr. Grasshopper. You chilling, man. Seeing what I'm seeing? I don't see no carpets in none of these rooms. So it looks like the only place that needs carpet cleaning is a closet in the entry. So you see, this is the type of thing I'm talking about. I drove all the way from Orlando to Daytona to do this house. You know what I mean? The ride was alright, got a chance to ride in the AC, relax. But now I'm here, all I see is carpet in the closet in the front. So guess what? You gotta clean that. Alright? Watch this. So we just applied the stain remover. So all we got to do now, apply the steam, with the vac, high power vac, and extract. That's it. All right, let's see how it comes out. Hey, well, there you have it. Looks clean to me. On a serious note, hey guys, subscribe, like the channel. All right, thanks for coming by, seeing what I got, you know what I mean, going on. Until the next one, peace and love. All right, Dreddy, I'm out.